Natural disasters or unwanted situations don't just casually occur now and then, but staying prepared for that once-in-a-blue moon is always beneficial, or may we say life-saving. And to help you sort it out, today we've discussed some essential survivor gear items for emergency preparedness.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
ACR's new generation RESQLINK 400 could be a lifesaver in extreme situations with precise communication capabilities. Engineered with 3 levels of signal technology, GPS positioning, and other communication systems, this device can keep anyone on track. All these important features come with completely zero subscription, so even if you unexpectedly find yourself in any extreme situation, RESQLINK 400 won't ask you for payment in crucial time. Moreover, it's small and lightweight to carry inside any pocket or palm. The capability of RESQLINK is beyond land as it comes with built-in buoyancy. It's important to stay hydrated even in the wildest of situations, and LIFESTRAW Peak Series will help you with that. Let's face it, being stuck in extreme situations is very overwhelming, and dehydration can make that case even worse. LIFESTRAW purifies water from bacteria, parasites, microplastics, dirt, and lets anyone drink safe water from anywhere. It's very versatile that can be attached to water bottles, and the weight of just 0.125 pounds makes it so easier to carry around. Lastly, the lifetime of 5 years or 1,000 gallons of water is an incredible number for its size. Now, during hard times, it's important to stay together. And this hyper whistle will make sure your voice is heard even in the most bizarre occasions. After all, it's the world's loudest whistle. With Hyper Whistle's new tri-frequency technology, it is rated as the world's #1 rescue whistle. It is very thoughtfully engineered to combine specific frequencies for each of the 3 chambers and give an output of beyond 3 times compared to standard whistles. To carry all these emergency essentials, it's important to have a strong bag like a TIBURON from MAXPEDITION, and we all know MAXPEDITION's reputation for producing top-quality backpacks is no fluke. It has a set of individual compartments to carry your gadgets, gears, clothes, and so much more. It also comes with a padded pocket to carry a laptop or a tablet. The middle compartment can be locked for additional security, while the easy zippers are very quick to open and close these compartments. And for additional peace of mind, TIBURON has been tested in more than 2,000 scenarios in real-world situations by NTOA. BP5s is your go-to food supply from Compact Provisions during those tough times. Each ready-to-eat food bar is light, crispy, and full of nutrients that anyone's body will demand during such a demanding period. Each box contains 9 of those bars, rated for 2,385 calories, and has a shelf life of 5 long years. This is the Helio, a great renewable energy source during those challenging times. This solar-powered light utilizes sunlight like a pro to deliver 15 to 700 hours of backup, depending on your usage pattern. But what makes it even more useful is anyone can use the Helio to recharge their phones or any other device. Etten isn't a new name, and FRX3 Plus has been keeping their customers safe and sound from the worst for a long time. You surely don't want to face a disaster unprepared, and that's why having this hand-cranked rechargeable weather alert radio is a lifesaver. FRX3 Plus drastically increases chances of survival, as it can reach AM and FM signals with digital tuning from all 7 NOAA and environmental weather bands. Oh, you can also recharge your smartphone with this radio. A multi-tool might be just a small gadget, but having a Gerber ARMBAR can be a blessing in disguise. Why? Well, the ARMBAR is very equipped with a total of 8 tools, like a fine-edge blade, a bit driver, a hammer, a pry bar, scissors, and an amazing grip to sum it all up. All tools are made of stainless steel, while its handle is made of a textured anodized aluminum for a secured grip. ARCTURUS Emergency Blanket is a smart and practical emergency blanket to keep anyone warm during a demanding situation. This one's skillfully built to trap your body's temperature and react to it accordingly. So even if the temperature drastically drops or suddenly goes up, its mylar reflective side will reflect the body heat and create a radiant barrier. No one can underestimate the importance of a med kit, especially this MyFac Large by MyMedic. Why? Well, it's more than just a big box to carry things, as this kit can carry every medical supplies from minor injuries to equipment to treat life-threatening emergencies. This large version is twice the size of MyFac and can hold over 200 items, but of course, very easy and convenient to carry along. STREAMLIGHT WEDGE is a very well thought out flashlight, flat and thin enough to fit in any pocket. This small gadget is built on anodized aluminum construction to demonstrate sheer strength and can run for 3 long hours. And the 300 lumen brightness is surely quite bright and powerful for its size. Lastly, it can be easily charged with a Type-C port, which is very convenient. So that was our list of some essential survival gear items for emergency preparedness. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.